My name is Margaret Wong. I'm a practicing immigration lawyer, and today our topic is extreme hardship.
So many applications require that you show extreme hardship to a qualifying relative, like you're a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident parents, children, or spouse. So what does this term mean? Today, we're going to learn more about what qualifies as extreme hardship. So there are two ways that I need to show hardship, and I don't know if you can just explain a little bit more about that.
Yes, I will. On extreme hardship, a lot of cases now under the Obama era, they started the 601A, but the 10-year non-LPR cancellation of removal is extreme hardship. J1 waiver is extreme hardship. There's a lot of cases that you need to prove extreme hardship. There are two ways to prove it. You have to prove if the alien, the foreign-born, goes back with the American citizen back to home country, what would happen to the American citizen qualifying relative or green card? If he stays here with the qualifying relative, also what would happen to her? Because you have to measure the equity and the risk of making him stay.
So our next question is, what are some ways I can demonstrate hardship?
There is a totality of circumstances. You look at emotional hardship, psychological hardship, physical hardship, medical hardship, financial hardship, separation hardship, totality. And you do a very, very long affidavit, stories, you do the form, you pay the filing fee. There's a lot of work on this.
So it says here, what is medical hardship?
Medical hardship is one of the hardships. It's probably the most important hardship as years go on because everybody have children, everybody have parents. So you need to prove through the doctor's report high blood pressure, ADHD, autism, slow learning, anything that shows you have a bodily injury or something like that.
Next we have here, what is psychological/emotional hardship?
Psychological and emotional is something you cannot see. Medical hardship is something you feel and you see. So emotional hardship is I'm depressed, I'm very anxious, I couldn't sleep at night. I don't want my parents to go back to Mexico because it's so dangerous and violent, and I'm a white girl, I couldn't get down there. So these are all emotional and hardship that's from the inside, from your heart.
What is financial hardship?
Financial hardship means that, for example, my father is the one who earns the money. My mother is the one who's staying home taking care of a disabled child. If my father is being deported back home to home country, I will lose my health insurance. I will lose my ways to pay for my college. I would lose my spending money. These are all financial hardship, but it has to be extreme. It cannot be just a regular separation where, of course, you're going to lose some financial help because your father went away.
Next question is, what if that country is unsafe?
That's really, really good for extreme hardship case because the unsafety of the country helps us to argue US citizen or green card parents or children do not and should not be forced to go back. Bear in mind, non-LPR cancellation of removal, the children could be qualifying relative, but for the 10-year bar, the 601A, and leaving and coming back in less than 10 years, children cannot be a qualifying relative. But for criminal record waiver, children could be a qualifying relative. So it depends on what case we are talking about. Then we argue who is the qualifying relatives. That's a topic for another session.
Thank you for watching our video here with attorney Margaret Wong. My name is Stephanie Ayala. We hope you enjoyed today's topic. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave any questions or comments down below that we can potentially use for future videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. For more information about our law firm, check out our website at imwong.com and feel free to schedule a consultation at 216-566-9908. Thank you.